I could live like an oil rich Arab for a week or two. Now he was having 600 rupees, so that's why he was thinking he was for a week he was looking like a rich oil person, oil rich Arab, Arabian, clear, Arabian person. When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket in my life, but dashed straight to the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. Moving out, matlab she was started. The train had still to pick up speed, and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages. He was able to jump into one carriage, but he was not going. He was not running. He was not trying to jump into it. But I hesitated for some reason I can't explain. Now he did not want to go, and I lost the chance to get away. Now the train had got up. Now he had lost the chance. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. Deserted platform, there was no one. I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help, and I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. Now he was thinking, Vita, he was alone at the station. Now he was thinking where he has to go. What will be what would be happen to him? Where he had to go? The only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. In my short career as a thief, I had made a study of men's faces. Beta, now he was thinking about Anil. They had lost their goods. The greedy man showed fear when he stole the goods. Then greedy man showed fear, and the rich man showed anger, and the poor showed acceptance. But I knew that Nil's face. Now he was thinking about Nil when he discovered the theft. When he discovered the theft, and Nil has Hari Singh has gone out with money, has stolen his money. Then what would be Nil think? He would show only a touch of sadness on his face. Only sadness would become bitter, because he has not for the loss of money, sadness not for the loss of money, but he has but for the loss of trust which he has done on the Hari Singh. I found myself in the Maidan and sat down on the bench. The night was chilly. It was early November, and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. Soon it was raining quite heavily. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin, and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. The clock showed midnight. Now the time was of midnight. I felt for the notes. They were damp wet from the rain. Anil's money in the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to cinema. But now I had it all. I could not cook, heat meal, run to the bazaar, or learn to write whole sentences anymore. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. Whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than 500 rupees. Now he was thinking there was a change was coming inside him. He was thinking, these notes are not sufficient for him. If he would be able to read, then he can earn a lot of money. It was simple matter of steel, sometimes just as simply to be caught, but to be a really big man, a clever and respected man. How he can become? How he? By study. Clear? I should go back to nil. I told myself, if only learn to read and write. Now his decision was changed. I hurried back to the room, feeling very nervous. For it is now he had come back to Anil's home. He returned and kept the money where he has stolen. Then stood in the doorway. In clouded midnight, he was still asleep. I crept to the head of the bed, and my hand came to with the notes. I felt his breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattresses. Clear? Now he was keeping his money on his place and slept under it with the notes. I woke late next morning. Now, and Neil had already made the tea. He stretched out his hand towards him. Now Neil had made the tea with there was a 50 rupee note between his fingers. My heart sank. I thought I had been discovered. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now you will be paid regularly. Now he would be paid to him. My spirits rose, but when I took the note, I saw it was still wet. Beta, Hari Singh knows very well. He has known about by Anil. So that's why today we will start writing sentences. He said. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way, and the smile came by itself without any effort. From this story, beta, we have come to know that when for some people it is we can say beta, some people often changed when any good person comes in their life. Does the boy betray his trust? This was the question. No, the boy does not betray his trust. He was changed, completely changed, and he did not broke his trust. Clear? Did not betray his trust, broke his trust. So that's why this was the story of the thief's story who was changed completely. Clear? Thanks and have a nice day.